I'm Felix Pimentel, Senior Field Applications Engineer with BenQ, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to bind your BenQ Interactive Display to your BenQ Cloud Services account. BenQ Cloud Services enables the administrator designated by the school or organization to create users, remotely manage interactive displays, upload apps, schedule messages for broadcast, send emergency alerts, and so much more. If you don't already have a BenQ Cloud Services account, here's how to set one up. On your computer, go to service-portal.benq.com. Click on Register BenQ Account. Complete the form and submit it. BenQ will send you an account verification request via email. The account will be activated once the information provided has been validated. During this guided process, your BenQ Interactive Display will be bound to 3 BenQ Cloud Services accounts: DMS, which stands for Device Management Solution; AMS, which stands for Account Management System; and Broadcast, which can be used to send emergency alert messages or schedule announcements. Before we start, please download and install the BenQ DMS app on your phone. Also, before we start, please update the board to the latest firmware version. To do this, click on Settings, System, About, System Updates, Update System. We will start by binding your board to your BenQ DMS account. On the board, click on the 4 squares icon and launch a BenQ DMS client. On your phone, launch the BenQ DMS app. Click on the plus button and capture the QR code displayed on the screen. Enter the room number where the board is located and click on Add to bring it into your BenQ DMS account. On your computer, refresh DMS Cloud and confirm the board has been added to your account. Congratulations! Your board is now bound on BenQ DMS. We will now bind your board to your BenQ AMS account. On your computer, click on the AMS tab, go to Equipment Management, click on Add Service, select the board you want to add into the system, and click on Add. The board will be immediately added to your BenQ AMS account. To enable AMS service on the board, click on the icon on the lower left corner of the screen and select AMS Service. The system will ask you to enter the administrator password. The default password is admin. The system will then ask you to change the default password. The old password is still admin, and the new password is your administrator password. Users are now able to log in on the board. Congratulations! Your board is now bound on your AMS account. We will now bind your board to the BenQ Broadcast service. On your computer, select the Broadcast tab, click on the orange plus button, select Join the Service, select the board you wish to add to BenQ Broadcast Service, and click on Next. Click on Join, and confirm the board has been added to BenQ Broadcast. After the board has been added to Broadcast, wait 5 minutes and then click on your browser's refresh button to confirm that the board has been fully added and is ready to be used on BenQ Broadcast. Congratulations! You have successfully added a board to your BenQ Cloud Services account. Thank you for watching. For additional information, please visit us at benq.com.